Hello guys, it's Mokuba here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to post on Facebook Reel. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Facebook account. Once you're there, you simply scroll and you are going to see Reels, short videos. You click on it. From here, you simply need to click on what create. After which, you can simply upload the video you want to post. So I already created a video. I'll simply click on it. This is it here. Once I'm done with that, you can simply add an audio on it. You add an audio, you add a voice. Once you're done with that, you can add a text on it. As you can see. So you can also add effects and emojis. So these are the various emojis you can add for the effects. That's it. So once you are done with all of that, you simply need, you can also save the video you make before posting. So once you're done with all of that, you simply need to click on next. After which your video is already ready to be posted. You can insert the description of the real video. Subscribing. So after that, you can simply enable the remix. So I can simply enable it if I want people to use this particular reel sound. You can add the location. You can tag a business partner, as you can see. So once you're done with all of that, you simply need to click on what? Share now. So that is our video uploading. So guys, that's actually the way you upload real video on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.